Today I'm going to show you how to take a manual coffee grinder and turn it into an automatic coffee grinder. I mean, it's pretty simple. You're probably figuring out what I'm about to do here. So this one's metal, and this is like one of the best ones. I forget what it's called. I got it at Buzz Coffee in Chicago. They moved to Logan Square. You should check them out. So there you go. It's got this little metal piece, which would be great. Stick it in the drill. Drill's got a little piece here. You can, fit other drill bits in on the screws. So you see I got coffee in there, and just tighten it up. Going the wrong way. The blooper reel. There we go. That's it. Nice and tight. So now you can just I think it's done. Still more to go. No. Angle my hand. Oh. So there you go. Coffee. These hand grinders are much better, cheaper. This is an $80 grinder. I don't have like a $200, $300 grinder. I think this one's better, but cranking this for 2 cups of coffee is not great, especially when you just woke up in the morning. Who wants to do that? Not me. Alright, thanks for watching my shitty video. Bye.